Oh my god. It's like 9 million degrees in here today. I'm dying. I think I lost 3 pounds in the last 4 minutes. I can't take it. Please, if there is anyone up there, make this stop. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. This is better. If you want to learn how to do these effects in Filmora, if you want to learn how to download Filmora Pro and Filmora 9 for free, fully functional, no watermark, and use them today, I'm going to show you how to do all of that. Stick around. I'll show you how. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation. So let me show you how to do these 2 effects in Filmora Pro. Like I said, if you don't have a Filmora Pro license, I'm going to give you a link for a free month trial of the fully functional version, so you can try this at home yourself. Bring your footage into Filmora Pro. The footage I have is ready to go, so I don't need to slice it down in the trimmer. I'll just insert the entire clip into my timeline. The first half, I want to introduce the heat wave effect, and the second half, I want a rain effect. So I'll find right where I want to place that lightning strike that divides them, and I'll split the footage in 2 right there. I'll leave my playhead on that spot, switch to the slice tool, and slice the footage. I'll switch back to the selection tool, and now I'll click on my footage to open up the effects window on the right. I'll highlight the first section of footage where I want the heat effect to go, and in the effects tab, I'll click on the plus button for a list of effect options. In the dropdown, I want to select Distort, and then I'll select Heat Distortion. Filmora Pro gives me a ton of options to dial in these effects, but I just want to tweak a few of the settings. I'm going to dial the distortion back just a touch so that you can see my face a little bit better, but I want the heat waves to move up a little faster, so I'll increase what Filmora calls the wind speed. That will make all of those little heat wave lines move a little faster. I already like the direction these little lines are moving in, so I'll leave the rest just as it is. Next, I want to choose the second piece of footage. I want this section to look like a real rainstorm hit me. So in the effects tab, I'll hit the plus button, and in the drop-down menu, I'll select Particles in Simulation, and then I'll select Rain on Glass. Next, in the preset window, I'll select Downpour from the options. That will automatically adjust the settings to give me a really heavy rain effect. You can see how easy it is to dial everything in, from how many drops per second fall, to the size of the raindrops, and more. Once I have each of these effects dialed in, I can export my footage with my effects in place. As you saw, I added some sound effects and changed the color balance of each section to really help sell these 2 effects. I know you're dying to give this a try too, so I'm going to show you how to get both Filmora Pro or Filmora 9 absolutely free for 30 days. Filmora has also been gracious enough to give us a 30% off coupon if you decide you like either one of these products and want to buy them. All you have to do is join our Facebook group of over 11,000 members for free, and the link to the download and the activation code is pinned right to the top. I'll put the link for you to join our Facebook group of creators called Tube Ritual in the comments below, and I'll also put it in the video description so you can be on your way to using Filmora Pro for free in minutes. This could not be good for my camera. Peace. I'll see you in the group.